तू बोलना शुरू कर.
The brain is supplied by the paired internal carotid and vertebral arteries via an extensive system of branches. The two vertebral arteries unite at the lower border of the pons to form the basilar artery, which ascends in the midline on the ventral surface of the pons and at its upper border terminates by dividing into right and left posterior cerebral arteries. Now comes the circle of Willis. Now comes the circle of Willis, which is also called as circulus arteriosus. The major arteries supplying the cerebrum, that is branches of basilar and the internal carotid arteries, they get interconnected to one another at the base of the brain to form a six-sided polygonal of arteries called as circulus arteriosus or the circle of Willis. The circle of Willis is formed anteriorly by the anterior communicating and the anterior cerebral arteries, posteriorly by the basilar artery dividing into two posterior cerebral arteries, laterally on each side by the posterior communicating artery connecting the internal carotid artery with the posterior cerebral artery. The functional significance of the circle of Willis, normally there is little or no mixing of blood streams. The right half of the brain is supplied by right vertebral and right internal carotid arteries, while the left half of the brain is supplied by left vertebral and left internal carotid arteries. However, if one of the major arteries forming the circle of Willis is blocked, the circle of Willis provides the various alternative routes for collateral circulation. The clinical significance of circle of Willis states the occlusion of the anterior cerebral artery. It may produce the following effects like contralateral hemiparesis and hemianesthesia, which involves mainly the leg and foot, while the occlusion of middle cerebral artery may produce contralateral hemiplegia and hemianesthesia involving mainly the face and the arm. The occlusion of posterior cerebral artery may produce contralateral homonymous hemianopia due to the involvement of visual cortex. Thank you.